Okay, continuous compounding. You have the PERT equation. PERT. PERT is super important because it's for continuous. You only use it when it says the word continuous. P is your principal amount. R is your rate of change. That's your final amount, A sub T. T is your time period, and E is Euler's numbers, which is 2.7. You find it on your calculator in two places, right here above the divide sign in the blue. You'll get your E value, and then it gives you a 2.7. Again, you go second E, right there above the ln, and it'll make it raised to the exponent. All right, let's go get some problems done. Okay, Eva invests $750 in a savings account with an interest rate of 1.2%. Those are important stuff. It's compounded what? Continuously. How much will she have in the account after 7 years? Continuously means PERT. We start off at 750. Pay E is a PERT. E is just the value that I'm going to plug in my calculator. My interest rate is 1.2%, so I need to convert that 0.012. 0.012. I need to times it to the T, which is 7. And here we are. I just need to go plug and chug in a calculator. So here we are. 750 second E, raising that to 0.01. I want to say 5. 1, 2. 2 times on that by 7, and I get $815.72. So $815.72 is what will be in the account after 7 years. Next one, example. A new car will depreciate with the following formula. A sub T is equal to 36,000. E raised to the negative 0.06 times T. Answer the questions. What is the initial amount of the car? Initial amount is that. So the initial amount is $36,000. It's like they went out and bought a new Subaru, right? What is the interest rate? So here's the thing. Interest rate, right? I shouldn't say interest rate. What is that rate of change? How's the car going to depreciate? Right there. So I have it's going down 0.06. So is that growth or decay? It's going to be decay because of a negative right there. And when I convert it to the percent, it decays by 6% each year. The next one. How long does it take for an investment to double at an annual interest rate of 3.5%? Compounded what? Continuously. So I want it to double. So let's say I have $100. I want it to become $200, and I'd have E, right? So here's the thing. E, I want to raise it to 3.5%, so that's 0.035. But here's the thing. I don't know the time on that. So I go to a table. I want to find out when my $100 becomes how much? $200. So I'm going to come over here, set myself up. 100, second E, right there. I got 0.035 times X. Just making sure that's what I have right there. So I have it. Go and look in my table. Looking at my table for when I have $200. Start at 100. At 4, it doesn't happen after 4. It's going to take me a little bit. Ooh, now we're going. Now we're climbing. Now we're climbing. Now we're climbing. Now we're climbing. Oh, goodness gracious. It's going to take me between 19 and 20 years.